Force and fraud are in war the two cardinal virtues. Curiosity is the lust of the mind. Words are the counters of wise men and the money of fools. Science is the knowledge of consequences and dependence of one fact upon another. Hell is truth seen too late. The universe is nothing but motion and matter. Nature hath made men so equal in the faculties of the body and mind. The life of man is solitary, poor, nasty, brutish, and short. The world is governed by opinion. Force without right is power abused. Liberty is not the absence of restraint, but the absence of opposition. The desires of men increased with his acquisitions. The power of the sword can be overthrown by the power of the pen.